Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So you have to make the face of it like this. Make its eyes, nose, and then make the bow in the between to make his dress. Now we have to draw the lines to make her gown like this. Now make her shoulder and then make her hands like this. Now we'll be making her long hairs on the top. Make the lines over the gown to decorate it like this. And then color it with the different colors of your choice. Make a crown on the top and your princess is ready. Next, we have to draw a circle, draw the lines like this and make a ponytail on the sides of a girl. Now we have to make its eyes, mouth, and then we have to make her legs and hands, and it's done. Next, we have to make a face. Make her eyes. Now we have to make a hat. Make her eyes, nose and the mouth. Now we have to make her shoulder. Make the collar of her dress. Now make her frock like this. Make her hands as shown in the video and then make a pocket in the between. Make her hairs on the sides. Color it. Draw her legs like this and make these shoes as shown in the video. Now color it as per your choice and it's done. Next, we have to mark the lines like this with the help of a marker. So draw the purple lines like this on the sides and the back. Now fill the color inside it as well as shown in the video. So you can see how we are doing it. Now on the top of it, we'll be making the back part of a girl. So make her hairs like this and then color the long hairs of a girl. Now make these strings of the hair like this. Now make a bow like this as shown in the video with the white color and it's ready. Don't forget to make the lines on the top like this to make small books around and it's done. Next, moving forward, we'll be drawing the face like this. So you can see we have to make the ears, eyes, nose and the mouth like this. Now we have to make a shoulder. Now we have to make a V-like shape and then we have to make the gown like this. You can see now we have to make her hands as in the video. Now after that we have to make the hairs of the girl. Now draw the long hairs on the back and then make the bow on the sides, color it and it's done. Next, we have to make a face, make its eyes, nose and the mouth. So that's not the correct way. Let's move on to the correct way. So you have to make the face, ears and the hairs of the girl like this. Make a bow and the ponytail on the back. Now make the eyes, nose and mouth. Now we have to make the collar of a dress and her hands and the shoulder. So you can see we have made her dress like this. Make her hands. Now we have to draw the frock like this. Draw the lines and then after that draw the legs of the girls like this. So you can see we have drawn the legs, color it and it's done. Next, we have to make the face of the girl like this. Now make its eyes, nose and the mouth. Now after that, we have to make the shoulder of the girl. So make her dress first and then make the gown like this. Now make her hands as shown in the video. Make her long hairs like this. Now after making her hands, we'll be coloring it. Make a crown on the top like this and your princess is ready. Next, we have to make the lines like this to make the hairs. Now make the face. Make its eyes, nose and the mouth like this. Make her collars of the dress and the shoulder. Now make her gown like this. Make her hands as shown in the video. Make her long hairs like this on the sides. So you can see cover her head and then you have to make the bow like this and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.